Hi everyone! Today I'm doing a Lord of the Rings orc makeup transformation. So I'm going to be doing a bald cap, some prosthetics, and I get a lot of questions about the type of makeup that I use. I use Mehron's water-based paint palette, so I hope that helps. And at the end of the video I'll go into how I remove the makeup and what I do to keep my skin clear, so stick around for that. Thanks for watching and let's get started.
is that, Jody?
It's a orc from Lord of the Rings.
Did you paint that on, or is that a mask you put on?
I painted it.
Holy shit! You gotta take pictures of that?
Yeah.
Oh my god. Wow. That's pretty intense.
Thanks. It's an orc from Lord of the Rings.
Oh my gosh.
I got your reaction on camera. I'm just telling you. Thank you for watching today's video. This took about 2 hours to complete, which is a little bit longer than it normally takes, but I had a lot to glue on my face. To glue these pieces on my face, the cheeks and the bald cap and the forehead and all that, I use something called portrayed, which is a prosthetic glue, and in order to get it off, I have something called portrayed remover, which will help me basically dissolve the glue so that I can peel these pieces off my face. I get a lot of questions about how I keep my skin clear, and so for that, I have 2 things that I do. One, for transparency's sake, I do take a medication for my skin because long before I was doing these kinds of makeups, I had struggled with my skin with acne, so I take something that's very helpful for that. And then the second thing that I do is I use isopropyl alcohol to activate the palette that I have, and I find that it's very sterilizing. It kind of like sterilizes the brushes as they go also, and it can be a little fumey for the eyes and like for the nose and the mouth as well, but I find that it's worth it because it's something that really helps to keep my skin clear. And I notice if I'm using water to activate the palette, I tend to struggle a little bit more with the acne. So I hope that helps other people who want to endeavor and try out makeups like this. I hope it inspires other people out there to have fun with it. I've been doing these kinds of looks for about 6 years now, so it's quite the journey. I do all sorts of makeups. Thanks for joining me today. And if you have any questions, comment, because I'll try and answer them next time that I do a video. So thank you so much, and I'll see you next time.